To zip and unzip files on a Chromebook. Start by opening the Files app, which can be done by selecting the launcher on the taskbar and searching for Files. Once the Files app is open, to zip files, select the desired files by holding the Shift button while clicking on them. Then, right-click or double-tap the touchpad to open the menu, and select Zip Selection. This option can also be found by clicking the three dots at the top right of the Files app. The selected files will be quickly zipped, and a new zip file will appear, which can be renamed by right-clicking on it. To unzip a file, select the zip file, right-click or double-tap the touchpad, and choose Extract All from the menu. This will open a new file explorer, showing the extracted files, and create a new folder containing all the files from the zip file. By following these steps, you can easily zip and unzip files on your Chromebook.